Hey guys, so today we're gonna be playing MSP, and yeah, so today we're gonna be playing MSP. So this is my first video, well, MSP video. Y'all might know I posted a couple other type of videos, but I deleted all of those videos. So today, this is my MSP channel now. Okay, so if y'all want to be my friend, I made an edit with my friends. Nobody's there. No, I don't want VIP, you little hacker. Little hacker. Hi, okay. So today what we're going to be doing on MSP is really weird. So today we're just going to be doing a edit tutorial. So first, you need somebody who you want. So I'm actually gonna use Pixie Magic since she's here, and I guess she should have a lot of folks. I made a look of her before, so yeah. I'm gonna have a pink background because I mean, like, why not have a pink background? Like, oh, guys, go add Princess Luna. Pretty little, what's her name? Totally forgot. Pretty little, I think. Let's look. Pretty little golf, Princess Luna. Yeah. So let's go add them.
That is floating around shooting us? No, I don't see it. I don't see it. Are you blind? There's no He's just going around and shooting us. He's right here. He's right here. Okay. Why are the guys overheat so fast? I don't like this.
So you want to get your person and then pick their outfit. You can just, oh, congrats. Well, MSP, congrats. Well, awesome. That's really cool. Should I do another voice call hairstyle? These are Ollie hairs. Because I want them to look more presentable as they can be. That's cute. Oh, she just got married. Oh, because let's put on some new shades.
You stupid boy, man, leave me alone. You stole my ship. And I'm stuck in here. They won't let me leave. Well, I'm gonna get you out. Don't worry. I'm trying to take down the Imperials. Well, I try to stay alive. And then I'll see you on the other side. Alright, boy. I'll see you outside.
Okay, I hope she has some good animation. Yay! Okay, so she's gonna be level 4. Smart selfie.
How you made that?
I'm filming. My sister. No, I'm filming. Yeah, I'm gonna go live Friday, so that'll be the day after tomorrow. So yeah.
Oh, whoa! Hey, Kalia, look at this.
Cool. We're gonna put her right here for our edit.
Kyla, look at this.
So you can, if you have what's it called? That little thing that you can snap it like that, like you can do that. But me, I like to save mine. Okay. And then you want to go to Pixlr, and you can have your edit any size you really want.
But it's not.
I'm just gonna have the regular size.
But it's not right. So then.
Let's go tonight.
They tell you most players don't last after 39. You have to hear you're the last one standing. When they tell you that you can't do it again, all you need to hear is it's payback time.
Okay, so you don't I'm not gonna get the little pieces in her hair because I really can't see it that much. I might have to change it because I don't want it looking really bad and stuff. Hey guys, you can actually, if you want, I recommend you don't like get this and erase that. What you want to do is get the eraser, put it huge like that one. There. Okay, my brother actually is watching something right now. So guys, I'm playing some slime, some jiggly slime right now. While it's still in the container. That's good. Hey. Oh, let me go to Google. Chimney. Okay, I'm gonna have her sitting on a chimney, like at night time.
Yeah. Say no. Say no. Say no. Just say no. Say no.
Chimneys at night.
Say no. No. No, Mom, now say no. I did. I want this. I want this. I want this.
Is it winter? I thought they were supposed to be starting. No, just remember about the flashing. Immigration closed. What does that mean? I don't know. Maybe say do not enter sketch. It's saying do not enter, bro. I don't want to go in here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We're gonna die. We're gonna die. Oh no.
I recommend you sizing it like a little better if it's a really jumbo pick like this. If it's a really jumbo pick like that, like this one, I would recommend you yes, okay, so now that's basically your edit. You can add anything you want. You can add anything you want. Really, anything. Like you could add your word, your character's name. I mean, so see, they made a couple edit. You can make couple edits if you want. Okay, we're going to subscribe to you. Ooh, thank you for the for being my and I'm about to subscribe to you. Let's go in here. Let's go right here. Paste. What the heck? That's copy. Paste. What the heck? I did copy, but it just keeps coming out like that. Oh, that's already my friend. I'm just gonna add people for him to make new edits. That's a really good idea. See, a lot of people go like for edit, like a lot of people make stuff like for edit and all that stuff. Great, and then you see that was her, and then she literally just used it. Okay, so that is good. Okay, yes. And then, if y'all, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm going to be using. So then I like to post my stuff. Okay, edit 2. My first edit, this is my first edit, because my friend, she wanted, it was a surprise edit for my friend. It was like Hollyweed, yeah. And now, that's the edit right there. You said kiss.
Since you can't ask her for anything else, but
Okay, so that's it for the video, and have a good day, and 1, 2, 3.